In today's model, we'll be doing sensors and their applications. Analogy. Sensors are like the senses that humans have, like the sense of smell or the sense of touch. These allow us to understand our surroundings and thus change our path accordingly to the obstacles and various other factors. What is a sensor? A sensor is a converter that measures a physical quantity and converts it into signals, which can be read by an observer or by an instrument. List of popular sensors. Ultrasonic sensor. An ultrasonic sensor is an electrical device that measures the distance of a target by emitting ultrasonic sound waves and converts the reflected sound into electrical signals. Pir Motion Sensor. A passive infrared sensor is an electrical sensor that measures the infrared light radiation from objects in its field of view. They are most often used for PIR-based motion detectors. They work entirely by detecting infrared radiation emitted or reflected by an object. Infrared sensor. An active infrared sensor both emits and detects infrared radiation. When an object comes close to the sensor, the infrared light of the LED reflects off the object and is detected by the receiver. Active IR sensors act as a proximity sensor. They are commonly used in obstacle detection systems. Temperature sensor. A temperature sensor is an electrical device that measures the temperature of its environment, converts the input data into electrical data to record, monitor, or signal temperature changes. There are many different types of temperature sensors. Non-contact temperature sensors are usually infrared sensors. Ambient light sensors provides measurement of ambient light intensity. Each device has a specific operating range performance from very low up to bright sunlight.
Thank you, Kabir, for that introduction to sensors. So now, some of the sensors that are available on Tinkercad are the ambient light sensor, the flex sensor, the force sensor, the IR sensor, an ultrasonic sensor, a PIR sensor, a temperature sensor, and finally a gas sensor. So we'll be working with some of these sensors throughout this week. Thank you.